Alright guys, we got a good video today. What's good YouTube? It's your man, the son of some man.
Son, who's my son? Son, who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my...
And we are back with another video. What's up guys? What's going on? How is everyone doing? I hope everyone is doing great on this Thursday evening. But if you are brand new to the channel, please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button down below as we are on the journey. So come and join us to 10,000 subscribers. And you could be that subscriber to bring us that much more closer. So please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button down below. Also, you're brand new, you're probably gonna want to get notified every time we drop a brand new video around here. And me, I like to keep it consistent. Consistent meaning every day. So please do me a favor, just hit that notification bell down below and it'll do exactly that. It'll let you know every time we drop a brand new video around here. Now today's video, oh wait, you want to know where I got this hoodie at? 8 and 9, baby. You can check them out. These guys sponsor me. These guys take care of me. These guys are it, man. I actually got a package from them today, so we're going to jump right into that. But before we do that, if you guys want to save 15% off on your entire purchase, all you got to do is type in at checkout, some man. Make sure you type that in at the checkout, you know, in the code where it says checkout code or promo code. Make sure you type in some man. That'll save you 15% on your entire purchase. I got a package from them, and then I got a, package from Nike. We got a W. Let me fix that, because if you guys are brand new, you don't know I have a half a finger. That's really big for me to say on camera. But yeah, I have a half a finger, guys. If you're new, that's even if you're not new, you probably didn't even know that. But yeah, that's weird. But anyway, guys, yeah, I'm really excited about today's video. If you're, coming over from my YouTube short that I did, stay tuned, guys, because you're in for a good one, man. But without further ado, let's get into today's video. All right, guys, first we're going to start off with the package from 8 and 9. Let's, get right into this. I totally forgot I had a package coming from this, from 8 and 9. Until I took a picture on Instagram. If you're not following me on IG, you better make sure you click those links in the description down below. Follow me on IG. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you give your man, the son of some man, a follow on IG. I had 30K on IG, got hacked, but we rebuilding. We're at 3,400, so we got a little bit more rebuilding to do, but we rebuilding, man. Just like we rebuilding over here. We gaining subscribers over here every single day. We are growing, we are growing, we are growing. So please do me a favor while you're at it, hit that subscribe button. But all right, these guys always take care of me, man. I love it. I really. Yo, Figs, huge shout out to my man Figs. His links to his Instagram will be in the description, as well as 8 and 9's. Make sure you check them out. If you don't purchase anything from them, make sure you give them a follow on Instagram. That's free, you know what I'm saying? All you gotta do is click that button. Boom, done. All right. I got a few things from them too. Let me see. My man, did he put the Figs? You forgot to put the socks in there for your homie, but that's all good. I'm not complaining. But yeah, let's check out what we got here. We got the Combat Nylon Joggers. I got them in olive though. These things are fire, man. So fire. Just like I said, the material is very, very dope. If you guys want to check these, check these out, even more, make sure you follow me on IG, man, because I take pictures of my shoes, of my collection all day. And you know what? Here's some pictures right here. You can check them out. I actually took some pictures of the Fire Red 5s today. I'm actually wearing them right now. Took some pictures today on IG. You can check that out. Really, really dope. I like to think I'm pretty good. That came out the bag. I got these pants. I picked these up. These are some more nylon joggers. But this is like in a salmon colorway. Figured these would go good with the We The Best Air Jordan 5s. The DJ Khaled. Very, very dope. But yeah, man. Huge shout out to Figs. I appreciate you, man. Also got some dope. I got some shorts. I got some shorts from them last year too. I still got those, but they still fresh, man, because I really didn't wear them. I didn't get a chance to because I was working, you know what I'm saying? But then I got these too. These are freaking flags. So fire. All red with that little hit of black. Oh, so fire. I gotta get that editing program where I can hit you with the fire emoji. Oh man, but we working towards things, you know what I'm saying? We doing big things around here, man. I just got hit up from my fellow YouTuber too, man, Danny Moore. Huge shout out, man. We got some things coming. We got some things in the works, man. Make sure you stay tuned to the channel. Make sure you subscribe, man. I see big things coming for this channel, man. Big things. You're gonna want to stick around. Stay tuned, man. If you didn't know, now you know. Anyway, we got this 8 and 9. I don't want to open it right now because it's white. Got this 8 and 9 t-shirt. We got the big 8 and 9 branding right there, and that's pretty much on the back of the tee too. Very dope. I'll give you guys take a pic. If you guys want to see pics of all these clothes, check out my IG. That's it. Links are in the description. I can't say it again, you know what I mean? I don't want to repeat myself. All right, this is the last piece. This is another pair of shorts. This is the Sesame colorway, which is another fire pair of shorts, bro. Cause you know that summer is on the way, man. That summer's on the way. It's coming. But these are super fire. But yeah, that's about it right there for that. I believe I'm gonna get some, I'm gonna have some more, stuff coming too. Cause the summertime is coming. I want to grab some more colorways of the shorts. I'm gonna grab some more shirts. But yeah, man, make sure you use my code SOMEMAN to save 15% off. Do not forget to use that code. You understand me? All right, guys, let's get into the meat and potatoes of the video. Our package from Nike. Now, we already have a pair of these, but I'm just glad that I could get it. I got it for retail. Finally, you know what I'm saying? Finally. Let's open this up. See what we got. All right, come on. Okay. We got it. The Air Jordan 1 lost and found. Yes, sir. I don't care. I'm hype. I'm happy. I don't care. Got my size, the 11 and a half. Those size 11s were fitting me a little bit too tight. Woo! Jesus. Oh, that smell is just, oh, so beautiful. Put that down. Oof. Now, the first time I got robbed for these, man. Somebody stole my pair, man. When they first released back in December, back during the holiday season, somebody jacked my pair. And I'm sure I'm not the only one's pair who got jacked, but somebody jacked my joints, you know what I'm saying? But I got them here today, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Oh, baby. Here we go, guys. The Air Jordan 1. Lost and found. That retail dub, man. That is an excellent W. I really like that. Oh man, guys, let me know down in the comment section. Did you guys hit? Did you guys get the W, or did you take a L? I also took a L on the Travis Scott, so I wasn't really too crazy about that anyway, because I knew I had these on the way. But guys, that's going to wrap up today's video. Truly appreciate you guys. I'm going to definitely give you guys a detailed review on foot of the Air Jordan 1 Lost and Found. Okay? That's coming soon to the channel. So make sure you stay tuned. But like I said, leave your thoughts, your comments, your opinions in the comment section. I thank you guys so much for tuning in, day out. I really appreciate you guys. But until next time, it is your man, the Son of Some Man. And we're out, guys. Peace.